Alright, we're going to take a look at how quickly and easily you can animate your voice using Adobe Creative Cloud. You could have some real fun with your students in creatively presenting things they've learned. Let's click in ClassLink first. After we've logged in, we'll click on Adobe Creative Cloud Express. If this is the first time you've logged in, you will get a login screen. You'll want to click Continue with Google. And if given the choice between a personal and company or school account, you'll choose your school account. And then if you have any further choices, just choose the plain Georgetown ISD account. And you'll be brought to your home page where a lot of the most popular Adobe Creative Cloud features are, including Animate Your Voice. So I'm going to click on that. And it brings up a little canvas that already has a character and background on it, but those can be changed. So there are lots of characters here and they add new ones occasionally. I'm going to choose to be the moon, and then I'm going to click on background and look for a background. How about space? All right. So now I can click on size, and if I want, I could look through all of these different things or make a custom size. For this demo, I'm just going to keep this 1-to-1 square. Now I'm going to come back over here to my moon waiting for me. I'm going to choose Enhance Speech. It just takes out some background noise and makes it sound more professional. And then I'm going to click Record. Hello, it's your friendly neighbor in space, the moon. I'm super excited because in just a couple weeks, on April 8th, 2024, I'm going to cast this great big diagonal shadow across the United States on the Earth. The spotlight's going to be on me for once because I'll be blocking out the sun, giving the sun some shade. Haha, did you get my joke? Anyway, I'm excited and I can't wait to see you on April the 8th. Thanks. So after clicking done, it's going to process it. And this actually takes a little time. I will speed up this part of the tutorial so you don't have to watch all of this, but just know this could take a couple of minutes. It's smoothing out your audio, adding some lip sync and all that kind of thing. Okay, the closer it gets to finishing, you will start to see this uploading media notification. While it's doing that though, we can go ahead and play our animation and see how it turned out. So here we go. Hello, it's your friendly neighbor in space, the moon. I'm super excited because in just a couple weeks, on April 8th, 2024, I'm going to cast this great big diagonal shadow across the United States on the Earth. The spotlight's going to be on me for once because I'll be blocking out the sun, giving the sun some shade. Haha, did you get my joke? Anyway, I'm excited and I can't wait to see you on April the 8th. Thanks. Okay, so you can see that was pretty cute how it synced everything up and made the little guy, the little moon guy, move around. So I think I lost it a little bit there. I'm going to use the scrub bar to go back and play a little bit. I'm excited and I can't wait to see you. Okay, that's about where I want it to stop. So that little dip right there. So let me try this. So I can trim from the front and the back. And then see if I stopped it where I wanted to. I'm excited and I can't wait to see you. So I'm going to leave it at that. Now, I could click open in editor here. It's going to give me a lot more options. I can add other video clips together. This would be great for collaboration. But for right now, we're just going to stop with this very simple audio animation. If you really wanted to start completely over, you can click back down here. But what we're going to do now is download. And on a Windows computer like I'm on, it's going to ask to download it to my computer. On a student Chromebook, it'll ask to put it in their Google Drive. So here I'm just going to put Moon Eclipse Talk, and I'll put it in my documents so it's easy to find. I'll hit save. And now you can see that it has downloaded to my computer. Since I'm on Windows, what I can do now is upload to Google Drive if I want to send this, or share it rather, with someone, or I could upload it to a Google Doc, a Google Slideshow, anywhere that I can put a movie, I can upload it. So I hope you enjoyed watching me make this video, and you'll give it a try and start thinking of some things you might be able to do with your own students. They all have access to Adobe Creative Cloud Express through ClassLink as well. Thanks for hanging with me for this tutorial.